We are live. Hey everyone. Today we'll be doing a tutorial with Blue Barbie on the Mojito Bleu. Hopefully you guys had enough time to find your ingredients to join in. Let us know what you want to see other than this. We'll try to make it like a weekly thing. Every Saturday, 2 p.m. we'll come on and do another tutorial drink. Leave your comments. I'll be monitoring and answering questions while she do her thing.
Well, it's National Mojito Day.
National Mojito Day, and that's why we're doing this today.
Yes, it's always a good day. All right.
So what we got as for ingredients?
We have limes, some mint leaves.
Fresh mint leaves, I see.
Mint leaves, yes. Simple syrup, which you can also make your own. You don't necessarily have to buy it in stores. We have seltzer water and Sprite, but the Sprite is only if you like it on the sweet side. A teaspoon for measure. Should be good.
And
Bleu Royal, of course. Of course. It's the best way to have a mojito. A little tequila, a little rum, you have it all. Give you that extra kick. I know my girls and I have had many, many good times with mojito nights. So this one's for the books.
all right, without further ado, let's get started.
All right, we're gonna cut some limes. I'm gonna cut them in quarters. Get your shaker. Just squeeze your limes. These seem to be juicy limes, so we're only going to use a couple of those. And then we're going to take about 8 to 10 leaves.
Now, what happens if you drop the whole thing in there, like with the stem?
I mean, it's going to be bitter.
Oh.
It's not going to taste good.
Okay, don't mind me, people. I never made this
Don't
before.
do it. Don't do it. And then we're going to do 2 tablespoons simple syrup. I'm not going to open this one yet. We did not do this. Now with the agave and the tequila, you don't need much sugar, but some people do like it sweet, so we only do about two tablespoons. Then we're gonna mull it together, which is mix, whatever you like. And if you don't have one of these, you can actually use the back of a spoon, you could use a fork, whatever you choose. And we're gonna do put some ice in here. We're gonna put our Bleu Royal, about 2 ounces. We're gonna put about like 6 ounces of seltzer. And then we're gonna put some ice in here. We're gonna do a little shake, shake, shake. Ooh.
Shake, 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 Ciela.
Ooh. We're just gonna pour it right over here. We're not gonna strain it because we want all the flavors in. And then cut your little lime, your last piece of lime, put it on the side. Get the top of your mint leaves, a little sprinkle, and top it off. There you go.
Nice.
Smells delicious.
Now, do you have any other variations?
Yes. Yes. So if you do it with the Sprite, we'll do it right now with the Sprite. So again, we're gonna have a lime, cut it in quarters. This is a stubborn lime. Shaker. So we see this lime does not have as much juice as the last one. So we're going to use all 4. Mint leaves. You don't necessarily have to measure anything. You kind of can go with what you think is going to turn out best for your taste.
Got it.
So we did 3 tablespoons in that one because we're going to make it a little sweeter for those who like it a lot sweet.
Perfect.
Then,
now, if anybody want to join the live and try to also participate, would love to have you on. Let me know. That way you could ask your questions on live.
And then we don't put as much seltzer because we're going to use the Sprite to top it off because you like it sweet. And then we'll put this Bleu Royal in.
Baby boy just said what's up to you.
Hi.
We all the way from ATL, I see.
This is the way Mr. Blue CEO likes his.
Yes.
He likes his sweet. Okay, we learned our lesson the last time. So I'm not gonna shake as hard as I did the last time. I'm gonna just stir it a little bit. One more ice.
In the meantime, this is the last one. I can't wait to get on this.
Nice. We're gonna want all of this good stuff.
You got people requesting you ship their drink to them. All right, so this is the one with the Sprite.
Yes.
Make sure. Can you do a different kind of garnish so I can know this is the one I'm drinking?
I'll give you 2 slices of lime on the side.
Yes, please. Thank you. We have WT, Wiki Toussaint. He said really, real nice.
Thank you. There you go. Especially with now, everybody can't go on vacation.
Mm-hmm.
And
bring vacation to you?
Bring vacation to you. And most restaurants won't serve as much mojitos because the mint leaves don't really last. So make it at home. Get you a bottle of Bleu.
Choose Bleu.
Yeah.
All right, now here's the 2 drinks, 2 bottles. Can't beat it. Looks great and so simple. You did 2 of them in a matter of 10 minutes.
Yes, and you can make it by the pitcher. You can do per servings. Put them in your pitcher. Let it chill. If there's another way you want to try it, if you like it frozen, you can actually put your simple syrup, your mint leaves.
Wait a minute. It sounds like you're gonna do another one.
But I would have to freeze it. I didn't think of that ahead of time. I should have, but I didn't think about it. So what you can do, you can actually. So we'll do it, and then we'll post what happens after.
Okay.
So here we go. So we're gonna do the mint leaves. that together. And then, because I know, so we used to buy the Oasis Mojito mix, where we can make frozen mojitos. Oh, so good. We had them on the cruise. Delicious. So once we got home, we had to figure out how to make it. And it just dawned on me that we liked it. All right, so we got that. So what we're gonna do is do all of that. We're gonna put this one, it's gonna be a little extra special. We're gonna do about 2 to 3 ounces of agave.
That's pure agave nectar.
Yes.
All natural.
And then we're gonna do about 2 to 3 simple syrup. The reason why we're making it so sweet, what we're gonna do is we're gonna freeze it. So once you do that, put all these lines in there now. How to mother everything together. Okay, and then
Oh, I can't wait.
so we're gonna take these limes out. Then you're gonna pour them into an ice tray. We did about 4 cubes. Again, if you want to make more, you just have to up your ingredients. Freeze them. Once they're frozen, put them in the blender and just add your blue. No ice needed. Just the blue and the ice cubes. Amazing.
That and how long is it gonna take to freeze?
It's gonna take, I don't know, about 4 to 6 hours.
It's gonna take me that long to taste that one?
Yeah. That one is gonna be like we're back on a boat.
Nice.
Yes.
All right, people. That was it. Real quick, 15 minutes. We did 2 drinks and one to come. I'll let you guys know all about this one in another video or a later post. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us, DM, or either leave a comment. One of the CEOs will get back to you, either myself, Blue CEO, or Mr. Bleu Royal himself, Kenneth Cook. We'll reach out to you, respond to everything. All right, guys, thanks for joining us, and have a blessed weekend.